How is this October month for Aries? First, the card for your career and finances is Page of Swords. Expenditure will be high, so you have to be very careful. Unknown expenditure is also indicated. So, whatever you spend, you have to save little bit for your rainy days. So, you need to be very careful in expenditure. Outflow is going to be really high. And how will be your relationship and other things with your people, your near and dear? You have got the card 10 of cups. There's going to be some celebration at home, some happiness coming in. If there was any relationship issue ongoing from long time, that will come to an end, and a happy future is indicated, celebration is indicated. And health and well-being, generally there is a energy of seven of swords. It says what it appears, it's not like that. There is some issue going on, so either in the health or in your wellness there is some issue pending, so you have to address it. Be careful, don't trust any new people, be careful in your eating habits. And now for Taurus, how the career and finances will be this month for you, October. The card you have got is the star card. The star card says even though if there is any issue, future is very bright for you. So you will build a stable future this month. You will be doing some works or some steps you will take for a stable future, so that this if any career wise or finance wise you are having any issues pertaining to money, debts, or instability of job and all, now you will find a stable thing coming in your life, or you taking some steps in your life that will help you to build a bright future for you. So that's the one. And in your relationship you have got the card 9 of Pentacles. Excellent time period now. Everyone will know what you are, who you are, and what type of a person you are, and you will reap the rewards for what all you have done to others now. So the excellent week for you. You will be in cloud 9, that people appreciate your work and your talent. And in your health and wellness you have got the card 10 of Wands. Lot of responsibilities falling upon you, workload will be more, so that may sometime bring toll on your health. So take rest and do that, don't go in a single go. So that's the thing. For Gemini, the first card for your career and finance is Temperance. This card says that expenditure and income both will be good, but you have to take care of the outflow of money, because that is also equally in high ratio. So you, what you get, you will be equal, you will be balancing it, that's it. You can't save anything. So curbing the expenditure will be the best remedy for savings of money and all. And for your love and relationship, 7 of Pentacles, your person may not be giving you lot of time, or you may not give time to the family, so there may be issue of patience. Now, you or your spouse losing patience because of either of your attitude, so you need to have little more patience so that the problem is sorted out. Find more time for family, so that you can have a peaceful atmosphere. For health and wellness you have got the card Queen of Cups. Excellent card. Health will be good, wellness will be good, relationship with others, and happiness will flow. You can manifest things which you wanted to do from long time. So health and wellness is going to give you very good support this month. Cancerians, October month for you, for your career and finance, you have got the card Queen of Wands. This says that lot of finances you can manifest, you can do lot of work, pending works and everything, you can do it in a single go. You will be focusing on your talent and your project, so it will be a really very good time that you can manifest many things in life. Your job and a extra job, or a doing a business side by side, and making ways for new avenues for jobs. So all these are indicated. And for your relationship you have got the card 3 of Swords. This says that be careful in your talks, other means you may hurt your person, or your person's attitude may be in such a way that you get hurt to it. So either of it is indicated. So keep a low profile as far as your relationship is concerned. Don't expect great things to happen. For health and wellness, you have got the card Nine of Swords. You will be having lot of apprehension about your health. It may happen like this, it may happen like that. It may not be health, other well-being of your home or the wellness of your house people, your family members, your job prospects. There is something going on in your mind that tells you that something is not right. I am in a crossroads. So such things may crop up which has no reality. In reality, there will be nothing like that. You will be having all apprehensions. So try to overcome that anxiety and all. That is very important for you. For Leo, your career in finance, you have got the card Ten of Pentacles. Excellent card. Money flow will be very good. Rain of money is indicated. Your career will go to higher heights. New job is indicated. New business prospects are coming. Somebody coming in your way for with new business project is also indicated. Excellent time for savings of money, buying property and all. And for relationship, you have got the card Four of Swords. Relationship may be little bit challenging, so you have to take it in such a way that you have to contemplate to balance the relationship so that all other spheres of your life is going well. So you shouldn't focus too much, or you shouldn't expect very much from your relationship. You have to balance it. For that you have to contemplate and manage it and balance it. And your health and wellness, you have got the card Queen of Pentacle. Excellent time. Any ongoing health issues or ongoing any problems in your life that you were not able to sort it out from long time, now you can sort it out. There will be a comfort for you. You are mentally, physically, emotionally, you will be in a better position this October. So very good time for Leos. And for Virgos, this month October, how will be your career and finance? You have got the card Magician. Excellent time. It is up to you how you are going to make it up. Now the ball is in your court. You can manifest good things, think good, have positive attitude, say some affirmations daily. That will help you to overcome any negative issues ongoing in your career or your finances. So manifest something, do some small ritual for money attraction. All these things will really fetch you a very good changes in your career and finances. And in your relationship, you have got the card Hanged Man. It says that relationship is not very good. You expect more, but what you get it from your partner may not be that much. So expectation should be low so that things may not go beyond your hands. Expectation is always good when the partner is also reciprocative. When your partner is not reciprocative, having expectation will lead you to disappointments. So you should be careful in that pretext. And health and wellness, you have got the card Queen of Swords. Really very good card. Any little surgery is also not ruled out. Other than that, if general things are there, you can rule over your friends and families around you. Any issues are there which were pending from long time, you can fulfill it. And at the same time, health, if you had any issues, it will come to a control and you can bounce back to good health. For Libra, this October month, how is your career and finance? You have got the card Four of Pentacles. From long time you were being doing for others and others, never for yourself. But now the time has come that you can concentrate and prioritize yourself. So that is the thing. And for love and relationship, you have got the card Two of Pentacles. Lot of workload will be there. You will be focusing on any one, either your love life or your career life. So that may cause some imbalance. You have to bring balance both your work wise and your family wise. So that is the suggestion from tarot. And for your health and wellness, you have got the card King of Sword. Very good card. You should use your analytical way of thinking rather than emotional thinking, so that things can come to a way. So that is the guidance from tarot. So you can overcome all the pending issues, works and all. Health also will be good if you maintain good health regime, lifestyle management and all. If you are going to bring it to under control, your health will be really good. And now for Scorpio, career and finance, you have got the card devil. Temptation is there. Some new projects or new job prospects is coming, they are tempting you, so be careful. Or the existing job also, somewhere someone is not right, they are trying to pull you back, you are not aware of it, so be careful. Some major changes in your workplace is indicated, so be careful in finance and career. In investments, you may think something is very good and invest, and later on you come to know it was a trap, so be careful. For wellness, for health and wellness, you have got the card Seven of Wands. This says that you need to fight for your own self. You need to be what you are rather than submitting to someone. That will only help you. And for your health, you will be fighting some health issues from inside. Maybe you can encounter some infection coming the way, so that also is not ruled out. You should be careful, and your eating habit should be very careful, and dealing with new people should be a little bit problem, so take care. And relationship wise, you have got the card the wheel. From long time there was some relationship issue, now little bit slowly things are sorting out. You have to give yourself for it, otherwise things can go here and there. A good change coming in also, with your bad attitude can spoil it, so you should put little bit effort to work to make it better. Now for Capricorn, career and finance, you have got the card Two of Cups. If you are waiting for some good news to come, job prospects to come, you may get a call. Your call for appointment may be there. You may get a good job now, and you can have it for a long time now. There may not be frequent changes. And for your relationship, you have got the card Knight of Swords. It's not that fair now taking any decision and all regarding your relationship. You will be in a rage, you will be in a frustrative mood, so that can take you to a wrong decision, so be careful with your spouse or your partner. And for your health and wellness, you have got the card Five of Wands. Lot of effort should be made. You need to put lot of effort to make yourself be healthy. Mentally you will be drained out because of several things happening in your workplace or in your home front. Lot of things are draining out, so you really need to put lot of effort to keep yourself happy. For Sagittarius, sorry, I have forgotten to make for Sagittarius, for you this week, for Sagittarius this month, card for your career and finances Tower card. There is going to be a major shuffle in your working place. There may be someone coming up and you get fired up for your some very small fault of yours, or even if you have not done some fault also, something propping up in the other end and you are fired up is indicated. And in your relationship, you have got the card Three of Cups. Excellent card. Support from your family and friends indicated, so that will be a very great support for you. And in your wellness and health, you have got the card Four of Wands. Family support again is indicated in all small things to big things. So family will be like a spinal cord for you. They supporting you for each and everything. That will bring good changes in your life. You also do for them. It is very good. Now for Aquarius, for career and finance, you have got the card Four of Cups. Good opportunities are coming, but you are not utilizing. Your mind is somewhere, you are in thinking, and you are rejecting what offer universe is offering you. That's not the good way, because all the big things happen only starting from a scratch. From a small point only things start moving. So you should take this opportunity, anything coming in your way, as a stepping stone. And for your relationship, you have got the card King of Cups. Excellent card. You will be little bit emotional, but it's okay. Your partner and your spouse, whoever it is, they will be supporting you a good month. You can spend some time with your family and friends. And your health and wellness, you have got the card Two of Swords. You will be caught up in between two parties. You don't know whom you should support. So be careful with your neighbors and your third party relationships, because they may create some issue. And as far as health is concerned, it is not that it is good, it is not that it is bad. So it is fluctuating. So you should take care of your health. And for Pisces, this month, career and finances, you have got the card, the Hermit. You feel that you are isolated at workplace, you are not given importance, you are sidelined for some reason that you have never done. So that will create some hurt in your mind. So it will make you that you are isolated, you are not appreciated, your talent is not recognized. Such things may prop up. And in your relationship, Chariot card, ego issues can prop up. You should be careful. Otherwise, this is okay. You don't get the ego between your relationship, everything will go well. If you bring that inside, then the relationship can really become sore. You should be careful. And for health and wellness, you have got the card Five of Swords. So a lot of competition may come. Somebody doing something and you want to do because they have done it. That may create lot of problem. For example, your relation, they have bought a house, you also want to buy a house, or your neighbor has bought a nice dog, you also want to buy a dog. That all competing with others will create problem. Otherwise, everything is good. Take care, guys. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.